Somehow, July is already beginning to slip away. It feels like summer only just arrived, and yet the evenings are already changing. I suppose that's what happens when you're busy enjoying it. There are still plenty of things I'd like to do in the garden, but I've stopped trying to finish everything at once. I've learned that the work will still be here tomorrow, and that's not such a bad thing. I'm spending a little more time in the fire pit corner. There's no deadline, no rush, just another small step towards making it a place I'll enjoy spending time. Sometimes the best part of a project is having a reason to come back to it tomorrow. Er det et ja eller et nej? Men det er jo ikke derude, det er her. Hvad siger du? Er det okay? Der kommer ikke noget. Er det okay? Kan vi sige det? Er det sådan, det skal være? Okay. I'll take that as a yes. Just a quick note while editing. The first letters from Allan is going out this coming Thursday. So if you want letter number 1 in your mailbox, now is the time to sign up. I'd love to send you a letter. Okay, back to the video. I'm clearing out a little bit, and I know I've said this before, but I've made it my mission to always look for free plants at the supermarket. At least here, many of the smaller supermarkets have a tendency to buy a lot of plants and flowers throughout the season, and when they look bad and doesn't get sold, they put them outside by the garbage, and you can take them for free. Today I found this rosemary, organic, looks perfectly fine, and this thyme, which also looks perfectly fine. So I'll plant those. But I actually also found a bunch of calla lilies, which I'm gonna plant around the garden, I think. I'm actually pretty happy with the new terrace. I think it looks great. Like the design, so I'm sticking with it, not redoing it once again. Now I'm halfway, so I'll spend the next couple of hours finishing it all up. I want to get it done. So I've used all the bricks I had from the old terrace, and now the not so fun part. I need to bring 74 more bricks from down here to the other end of the garden. Yay. I did it. It's done. I feel pretty good because I didn't rush. I took my time. Just did a little bit every day, and now it's done. I'll leave it as it is now. It's gonna rain for the next day or two, maybe even. So that will have it all nice and settled, and then in a few days I can add a little more sand and then bring back the garden furniture, maybe a few plants and pots. I like it. Oh, see? Ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? We're done to go.